An extroverted learner is going to thrive in a dynamic and socially engaging environment. They're going to want to interact with others and they're going to feel energized by group activities and discussions. They'll enjoy stimulation that comes from collaboration. They have a preference for social interaction. They're energized by engaging with others. They love to share and use ideas freely. They also are going to enjoy discussions and brainstorming sessions. Like I said, these really energize this type of a learner. They are going to process pretty quickly. They think on their feet and they may respond quickly during discussions. They often enjoy the spontaneity of conversations and group interactions. They're action oriented and they prefer the hands on activities that are often brought through participation and engagement. They may struggle in environments that emphasize solitary work or require long periods of silence. They also have wide social networks, meaning that they like to have larger social experiences, they love to meet new people, they value collaboration, and they find that working with others really enhances their learning experiences.